Open it back up. This is our guiding crease. Taking the top two sections here, we have two sections. Taking the top two layers, we are going to open it along this crease and do a squash fold. So open it along this crease and squash fold it down so that the center crease aligns with the center fold beneath. Squash fold down. Same thing on the other side. Flip your unit to the other side. Here is your guiding crease. Lift up these two layers to the point of that guiding crease. Squash fold down. Center crease aligns with the center fold beneath. Do an inside reverse fold for your beak. And then do an outside reverse fold for your tail. By folding, get a guiding crease first by folding this raw edge up like this so that this point meets up with this point. Guiding crease, open it back up and do a outside reverse fold using that guiding crease. And there's your tail of your dove. And you can kind of open up the wings a little bit and you have your dove.